Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to LCT channel. Today we will introduce this. Then we will use LCK-12 to match with this stock today. If you guys still remember, we just replaced it with PK-410 not long ago. And today, we will install a new stock on LCK-12. Okay, let's start the video. The right step and the direction of placing the part are very important. Please pay attention. Please use the pin comes with this product. We don't need the original one here, so just leave it away. Okay, it's done here. Looks pretty good. Basically, the whole stock is made out of the nylon. Very durable and is lighter than the original LCK-12 stock as well. It's way easier to carry around. I kind of like this feeling. Additionally, it's a 6-position telescopic stock. You can adjust the stock length according to your personal preference. Let's talk about the operation of this folding stock. It got the same way to operate as you do on a regular folding stock. The only thing you have to be careful is when extracting it back to place. Make sure you hold tight the receiver and push it upward, and then you can extend it back to its original. Please do not try pulling it around to extend it. It's really important. If you got fake stock Airsoft models, don't worry, we got this. The installation is really simple. Just remember to use the screws that come with this package. Okay, let's do it. Alright, this is presentation of our new product. How do you think about it? Don't forget to comment below. And if you guys enjoy our video, don't forget to share, subscribe, and give us a like. I will see you guys next time.